going to talk about the professionalism, because of wrong professionalism, people are like not growing, and this is playing a very vital role in person's career, person's future, person's growth, person's lifestyle. Because our lifestyle is all about is all made up of the way we think about ourselves, about our growth, and about everything we own. So let's get started. Hey YouTubers, welcome to the channel Akash Talk Show, and I am Akash Gupta, and this video is about professionalism and the growth is how the growth is linked to our professionalism, and how we should take our growth seriously, and whatever point of age or whatever situation we have, we should always be thinking about our growth, and the money, success, growth, everything all comes into this topic. Everything is not the money, but everything is the money. Everything happens because of the money. Everything around us, money is involved in that. So whatever we do, whatever, like people says that money doesn't make us happy, money is not the happiness, money is not everything. That is totally lie. It really breaks my heart that when I see people not at all thinking about their better future, and they are like very satisfied with whatever they have. So that was a really scary thing in so many people, which scares me. And we talks about that growth of our country, growth of our everything, but we are not at all thinking about our growth. Point number one is like what is a growth? What is success actually? The definition of success it shows that success means accomplishments. Like accomplishment in terms of anything. If you take any of the thing, whether you do smallest part of like anything, or a biggest part, you are making an aeroplane or making a chai, whatever it is, if you are doing it well, if you are completing the task very well, you are successful. Success is not every time it means about money and everything. Success means just getting the task right away and getting the right result out of that. That is called success. Okay, that's the definition of success. And what is the growth? Growth is like today you are doing whatever it is, and you're getting success in that, and tomorrow you are doing something better than that, and then day after tomorrow better than that. Every day you should be taking some actions toward your better tomorrow, because this world needs your help. If you can earn more, then you can donate more, and then you can help more. So that is the reason we should be thinking about our growth, because if we are growing, the people around us will grow. Like a lot of people say that no, I wanted to earn this much only, this is enough for my day-to-day life. But why you are just worrying about yourself? Why you are becoming so selfish? You should be thinking that how many people surround you, or how many people in this world you can help. You should be helping how many people, like you can make the people's life better, how many people's life you can make better, and what are the things you will take for that. If you need like some 1,000 crores of money to helping that all those people whom you want to help, then you have to earn this 1,000 crores of money. Then you have to grow yourself. So that's why everyone should be thinking about his growth. Nobody should be satisfied with whatever their current situation is. I'm just talking about the thing that this way we should be thinking. In way you are earning money, a certain way you are living your life, and you are able to your life is like limited to certain things. Like I cannot buy a more expensive vehicle than that. I cannot buy more expensive house than that, because it's not like that. If for buying 10 crores of house, you have to earn 10 crore rupees. If you want to spend some 10 crores of rupees in your personal expenses, then your net worth should be some 1,000 crores, because donation and helping people is the part of people's life. How much your net worth and how much your value will be, that according to that value, that net worth only, you will be able to help people out there. So if you are creating your value more, if you are creating your net worth more, then you are making yourself more able to helping out people around yourself. Who is like who has limited his thought to himself, then he might not be able to help other people's. Now the third reason why we are not able to grow, the same thing, that people are like they thinks about the people or the surroundings which they are surrounded with. Like I have family of 4 people, or so 4 friends I have. My thinking is up to that much only. We think like that whatever happening in the world, what is related to us, what I can do. You can do a lot of things if you can do, if you will be in that much of power. Like we expect from Mukesh Ambani to do this, do that. Why can't you become Mukesh Ambani? Why can't you earn that much money? Why are you not putting effort to becoming that kind of rich people? And so you can help. At least we can think. If we can think, then we can put effort. Then we can have that kind of courage, and then we can have that kind of authority. We want Tata to do this for our country. We want Mukesh Ambani to do this thing for our country. But why you are not able? Why you are not thinking about becoming that? So for that, we need to come out of that tiny mindset that yes, I need more. We need to develop this mindset in our mind that I need more. Because whatever it is, if you are happy for whatever you are doing, and but you're not earning that much that you can help people, then you should be making some alternate options also, because you should be always thinking about that, how can I earn more, how can I help a lot of people. This way you can make your desire. This way you can think that what are the options you have. Now coming to the solution of all these things I have, what I have from my side for the solution all of these things. So we're going to talk about that. And so first for these things we need to earn more money. Okay, how we can, there are a lot of reasons, like people say I'm not educated enough, I don't have a rich background so that I can start own business. Because people will say that now how you can become rich, people will say yeah, you can do some business. So that means if a businessman, most of the people will think that if you are a businessman you can earn a lot, then only you can become crorepati, and then you can become a billionaire, and you can earn a lot of money, and you can help people around. But other option is that for earning more money you need to I'll tell the simple thing, very simple thing, that if you want to earn more money, you have to be doing something really exceptionally well. Something. If you are owner of a restaurant, your restaurant should be the best. I'll tell you the example of Salt Bae. He is the owner of 5 restaurants in Saudi Arab and Dubai. He is the owner of 5 restaurants in Dubai. And why he is having 5 restaurants? Because he is so much passionate about his work. So that is the reason he is earning more. Because he is expanding his work date every day more and more. Richest celebrities, richest people are coming to his restaurant and paying him for his work. So that is the reason. That is the thing. If you are not doing something, ask yourself question: are you, whatever you are doing, are you the best in that? If you are not in best in that field, then you have to change. I know it's a bitter truth. I know it's a thing which we can think it is really painful, but it is the truth. If you ask yourself a question, ask yourself this question: that are you doing the best in the field, whatever you? If you're not doing that well in that field, you need to change your field. And that doesn't mean that over the night you go and resign your job and leave the job and think about something or start doing something else, because everyone's condition is different. Someone needs to do whatever he's doing right now. So for that condition we can create a side hustle, or indirectly I'm saying that you need to work more. Why you need to work more? Because you need to earn more money. Why you need to earn more money? Because people needs your help. especially in India. In India, people needs your help. In this kind of situation, everybody needs to donate, but nobody is able to donate. Can everyone is able to donate 10 lakhs of rupees? No. Why? Because they don't have the money. Why they don't have money? Because they're not doing exceptionally well in any of the field. So that is my humble request, to make yourself more worthy and more valuable and more rich, so that you can earn more and you can donate more, you can help more people, and you can make a good world and good society. The problem is not that all the money is with the wrong people. The problem is that the right people are not putting effort to earn more money. People want to just rest, relax, and stay in their comfort zone. So that is the thing. So you need to create the side hustle, so that which you love the most, and slowly you every day you have to work on your side hustle. Or the side hustle is all my mean with the side hustle is that you spend the time on the things which you love to do, because because if you are doing something really well out other than your work, other than whatever, other than your free time, in your free time, then if you're doing it regularly, then definitely, because talents gets noticed automatically. Someone will notice your talent. It get now the time, like now the era is social media, like everything gets viral easily. You do your things, you get lost in your thing, and it will, by some reason, it will get spread and people will notice you, and you will be slowly going to get paid for that. And once you start getting paid for your interests, that means you are going to, that is the biggest happiness. It will become the biggest happiness, biggest comfort for you, that I am getting paid for the thing which I do. And once it start happening, you can earn more. You can earn because you are doing a best singer in this world, a best footballer, best cricketer. Try to becoming the best out of your field. If you're for that, you have to enter in your field, and sometimes it is very easy, sometimes it is hard. And why we have to choose the hard, that I already explained, that world needs your help. That's way. So, and the thing is, then only you will become a person who is really into a good business, a good work. So this was I wanted to say, guys, that this is called professionalism. This is the real growth and real success. So this was my opinion and my observation that about this was my random observation, random opinion about the things that how people should have his mindset and think like that. So guys, this was the thing that I wanted to share with my YouTube family. If you have some of your opinions, and if you feel some of the things that can be added to this conversation, you can comment down below. And hope this the things I have shared made some added some value to your life. And if you feel that it was really like worth sharing, and it was like really worth liking, that do like this video and do subscribe, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon. I'm going to be bringing this kind of conversation furthermore. If you like this video, you can press the like button, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon. Share this video to your friends and family who needs this kind of thoughts. So till the next video,